Malwarebytes Installation Guide. First click here to download Malwarebytes. Next, click on the free antivirus download button. Once it's done, click on the MB setup to continue. Next, click Yes. Now, on the setup wizard, click Install. Now, choose your protection plan. Select Personal and hit Next. Now, on the Add Browser Guard, click Skip this for now. Malwarebytes is now installing. Once it's done, click Open Malwarebytes. Next, minimize your browser. Now you should see, Welcome to the new Malwarebytes. Click Get Started to continue. Next, click on the dashboard button on the top left side of the window. Now click on Scan. And that's it, your scan is now running. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.